Write from dictation task is the silent killer in the PTE exam. 99% of the people who fail their PTE test were either not able to attempt these questions properly or did not follow the easy, simple tips and the extra word strategies. Did you know that PTE has deliberately put this question right at the end of the exam so that people who don't reach there timely fail miserably in the exam? Well, don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end, as I am going to show you not only how to manage your time but also a sure shot 100% working secret technique that everyone can use very easily. And as a bonus, I will share with you how adding extra words in the end can boost your score. Hey everyone, I am Anurag, your PTE expert, and I am back as promised to give you a super effective technique for write from dictation that will make sure that you get the full 40 points for listening and 40 points for writing, which write from dictation contributes to your PTE score. In my 10 years of teaching PTE to students, I have devised several strategies for this task, but one trick stands out. So I made this video to share it with you all. Stay tuned and find out why PTE has put this task in the end and how to beat the PTE AI with confidence. Let's talk about some basics related to the task first for the viewers who are not very familiar with this task. Well, you need to listen to a short audio and write it down as it is. As you get 3 to 4 questions in the exam, there is no negative marking, which is actually quite beneficial for us to apply the AI beating strategy. Time management wise, last 5 minutes of the exam should be kept aside for write from dictation, as there are roughly 4 questions. Since listening section is self-managed, you need to monitor your time and make sure you have 4 to 5 minutes in the end. PTE has notoriously put this write from dictation task right in the end, and many of you are not aware how big it contributes to your writing and to your listening scores. In fact, for writing, it is the topmost contributor, and people who don't do well here see their writing and their listening scores fall drastically. That is why PTE has put this task in the end. Not exactly because they want you to fail, but so that you learn to manage the time well. So you need to be careful towards the end of the exam and make sure that you attempt all the write from dictation questions. Otherwise, you will fail to get your desired scores in the exam, guaranteed. Now, let's move on to the strategy part, which is equally important. Well, it is a 3-step strategy or technique that I am going to share with you now. Very effective for write from dictation questions. So make sure that you are noting them down. Step number 1 is when you are listening to the audio. While you are focusing hard on the audio, you scribble down the first letter of each of the word that you just heard on the notepad. Or you scribble down abbreviated form of each word, 2 to 3 letters maximum for each of the word. Be careful, if you try to write too many letters each of the word while listening, you may lose track of the audio. So see which one works best for you. And while you are doing that, keep memorizing. Keep saying the sentence in your mind as much as you remember. Keep doing it. That is very important. Now, one important strategy in trying to remember a bigger sentence is to divide and rule, where you break the sentence into phrases and then try to remember the phrases. For example, let's listen to this sentence.
I am not going to the library after the exam ends tomorrow.
So while listening, I can divide the sentence into phrases in my mind. I am not going to the library after the exam ends tomorrow. And keep repeating that in your mind all the time. And start scribbling the first letter or the abbreviated forms. Remember, maximum 2 letters of each word on the notepad. Sometimes the audio can be quicker. So write only first letter down in those scenarios, like this. I am not go to the lab after the exam in term. So see the abbreviated form. Step 2 is to expand these initials into a proper sentence. All this time keep repeating the sentence in your mind so it makes sense to you. I'm not going to the library after the exam ends tomorrow. Similarly, you keep repeating it. And then I expand all the initials to a full sentence with the first letter of the words as capital and in the end a full stop. I am not going to the library after the exam ends tomorrow. So you expand each of the initials to the full word. Now if you have any doubts in the spellings or the words that you heard, because if you only write a wrong spelling, then you will lose points for that word. For example, in this sentence, if you are not sure whether it was exam or exams, or whether it was end or ends, or if you are unsure if there is a single R in tomorrow or double R, then you write all of those one after the other. There is no word limit in Write From Dictation, and there is no negative marking for this question, which makes this strategy very effective. Just write like this. See that I have written exam, exams, and ends, and 2 variations of tomorrow will get me a full score. And mark my words, let's say if you can get 7 to 8 words correct out of total 10 words, you will definitely cross 79 plus score. Let's submit this answer on the Edutrainex learning platform and see how it goes. The AI has to give you a full score because we just tricked it, and you can do the same in the exam. Similar AI. Using this trick, we remove the risk from Write From Dictation. What is the risk? Of not getting marks for the wrong spellings. Write as many variations of the same word as much as you want. No problems in that. No word limit, mind it. And no negative marking. And in step 3, we make our response foolproof. So we add extra or filler words in the end, also called as extra word strategy. These filler words are nothing but articles, a, and, the, prepositions like in, on, at, of, for, to, and conjunctions and, or, but, and so on. Attempting the questions this way will ensure that you get more marks, as the PTE AI will match any of the words you write and then give you marks for it. And then there is no negative marking, no word limit, which is why this tip is very effective to add extra words you may have forgotten to write or note down in the previous steps. Now before we conclude the strategy, I also wanted to talk a little bit about the problem areas that trouble many of the students in listening, and despite following good techniques, they are still unable to succeed. The first problem is difficulty in understanding the different accents of various speakers in the PTE exam. Well, this problem is definitely a serious one because a major portion of the PTE test relies on your listening skills, including the speaking, writing, and listening sections. A systematic and gradual approach to solve this problem is to train your brain, which is nothing but just repeatedly start listening to podcasts, documentaries in native English accents, and keep doing this on a daily basis. This technique always works, even if you have never listened to these accents before. Every time it works. Some people start listening better within a week, and some people take a little bit more, around 10 to 15 days. It really depends on you, but definitely doable with everyday effort. You can even watch Netflix shows in English without subtitles when you are bored with podcasts. The next problem area is spelling. The solution for Write From Dictation, I have already shared with you what technique you need to apply, but you can't apply the same technique in other questions like listening fill in the blanks, where spelling becomes crucial. Either you get it right or you lose the points. Well, not to worry, I have made a very informative video on how to improve your spellings. It is called as 10 PTE spelling mistakes. Avoid these. I have also shown you a technique how to best guess an unknown spelling using the knowledge of the words we already know. This could be a lifesaver for many of you. So please do watch this. I will provide the link in the description as well. This concludes the ultimate strategy, tips and tricks for Write From Dictation questions, and I'm sure you will like it. Post comments if you need more help on this topic or you have any further questions related to it. And if you still think you are unable to crack the PTE exam on your own, then I would recommend you to join our paid live classes, and we will certainly help you in every way possible, because that's the way you crack the PTE exam.